We saw in the last video that all third declension nouns end in is in the genitive form, and most end in e in the ablative form. And in this first image, you can see a new form, homini and canii. So a literal translation of canis est fidelis homini would be, the dog is faithful to the man. All third declension nouns end in the e sound of a long I, but some change their root. Like iter changes its root to itiner, which helps us remember the meaning because this means journey or path, and itinerant means journeying from place to place. We will also start to see some plural forms in this chapter, so be on the lookout for those. Let's go. Marcus et iter. Marcus est homo fortis. Canis est fidelis homini. Nomen canis est Felix. Marcus cum cane iter facit. Iter homini difficilis est. Marcus cani aquam dat. Canis homini gratias agit. Amor inter hominem et canem est fortis. In itinere est mons altus. Vertex montis in nubibus est. Marcus ad montem accedit. Ventus fortis est. Ventus vehemens per arbores fluit. Murmur venti in aere auditur. In monte est flumen frigens. Aqua fluminis homini frigidissima est. Marcus cani dicit, O Felix, aqua mihi nimis frigens est. Canis tamen in flumine natat. Cor canis sine timore est. Corpus canis in aqua celeriter movetur. Post iter longum, Marcus et canis ad urbem veniunt. Urbs hominibus magna est. Multi homines in urbe ambulant. Clamor hominum in aere est. Marcus et canis sub arbore sedent. In corde Marci est amor cani. In corde canis est fides homini. And here are some exercises to really lock in these forms.